So Dan.
I feel like I should make like an intro for my channel because it's my channel.
Yeah, buddy. This is the intro. Ready? This is all you. I'm done. I quit. I'm retired.
You're not retired.
I'm retired.
Yell at me this entire time.
No, okay. Maybe I am gonna yell at you, but this is all you.
You're going to yell at me every step of the way.
Yes, I am. But it's okay. I only yell at you when you make a big mistake, which is gonna be all the time because you're always gonna make a big mistake because that's who you are, buddy.
Anyway, hi.
Hi.
We're gonna make another computer. It's gonna be another time lapse, and we'll do some like little bits here and there, like last time. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, so this motherboard is the Tough Gaming 67X. It's with Wi-Fi. GTX 1660, it's a good bang for your buck GPU. 3600X, it's great for video editing and any CPU intensive stuff. G-Skill, 32 gigabytes with 16 sticks each. Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition. Fractal Design Meshify C, because it was nice. This $500 monitor right here, you know,
27 UK 850 LG monitor. It has a FreeSync 4K HDR10, 100% RGB. Oh, and it has 60 hertz refresh rate. Basically, it is your video editing monitor.
and then we have a Seagate 2 terabyte just for the storage, and then NVMe M.2 terabyte 970 Evo by Samsung. Because boot from any SSD, it's so much faster.
First time ever putting it in without any mistakes.
Without doing mistakes, because we suck.
We suck at putting coolers in for
Here's
some
an
reason.
interesting I've never seen before. Down here, it also has a heatsink, which is weird.
I don't know.
Why is it? It's
I don't know. Anyways,
also. Why does it have any damn arrows?
continuing on, we're probably gonna go to the GPU next. When that happens, I will vlog that. Goodbye. Alright. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Oh, by the way, there is SpongeBob SquarePants episode coming out really soon, and or it's already released and you've watched it already.
Or watch it. Watch it now.
Or watch it now.
No, wait till we're done and then watch it.
Or do that. Do something. Do something with your lives other than watch this video.
Watch this video and then watch the SpongeBob video. Because you know what? Because SpongeBob is love, and SpongeBob is life. And love and life is a thing that I have nothing.
Bye.
I know nothing about.
We're just testing this, but we're trying to figure out how to turn on the motherboard because it's not like it has a start button like the last one did. Having fun, Mitch?
Huh?
He's having fun. But yeah, the screen's on. The screen's beautiful. In comparison to him, the screen's huge.
No, because I have a tiny 21-inch screen.
But yeah. Goodbye. So this camera apparently was just looking at my head the entire time. So that one's gonna be just the one running the entire time. But if you were to see, that's what it looks like. That's a beautiful.
No, that's a big question. Does it close?
That's beautiful. Now we have to know if it closes. Hopefully it does. It closed. It closed. The inside is nice. And a little cinematic video in a bit.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Well, the first turn on, technically. No, this is actually the first turn on. Ready?
Is this connected?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Push the oh shit.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
What the hell? What? Wow. I like that.
Oh, I have to turn it back on. Turn it back off again. I forgot to plug this in. Actually, let's just make sure it's good. RAM's connected, CPU's connected, GPU's obviously connected.
Wow.
Yeah, it doesn't show very well, but it does show a little.
Anyway, cinematic bit in a bit. Like, comment, hit Emmy in the face, and we will
I still gotta do the boring stuff now.
see you later, peoples.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, peoples. Ciao.
It's all about
Ciao, people.
humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.